Watching it on the bus, Bahamas. It is such a nice experience. When we go to Jamaica, we don't even take bus. We take up the traffic. Drive out cut out the traffic like Jamaica. Watch ya. My first day, my camera screen one clean. So after me take me $20 play go downtown earlier today. Pan taxi. Say me I go look Jamaican food.
Yeah, $2.50 come back.
Only for pay $2.50 for the tour if we come back from downtown the Bahamas. $20 per taxi, I don't get no Jamaican food. After we hear say. But I close to downtown. It's like a block from downtown.
Fish fry.
They call down there fish fry. So we hear fish fry, we catch chicken, catch a fire, and somebody from the airport tell we say. Somebody from the airport, I'm crazy, tell we say, Jamaican people down there, only for Jamaican people down there. We don't know what they matter about, not one Jamaican no down there. And I get to understand, say the one person we sell down there, then I even cook food. Jerk chicken at a festival, like, me don't want a Jamaican that. Bro, when you come at them place here, they don't cook ripe banana. Green banana, me mean. They don't cook no yam, no banana, no. I never afraid in a John shop here, so. Anyways, I reach back at the hotel, cross, angry and miserable. Yeah.
$2.50 per bus, 2 away.
$2.50.
But in the taxi.
And then now we gotta pay $30 again for go find Jamaica. I said, no, sir. Not doing that, I'm sorry. Yeah. We know which one with that, babe?
The Bahamas.
Yeah. It is so nice.
Everywhere you look around, everywhere you turn around about.
Everywhere is a roundabout. No stop sign, no stop light. Oh yes, one stop sign there. I guess maybe because I just saw the hotel. The first day of Bahamas. You want to see we in a coaster back seat? What? Driver cut out the road just like how when you take bus and do the park. I bet bus and do the park.
Traffic.
I cut out the traffic. Moment they make the island bus a bad so. No sir, I'm never afraid. First day of Bahamas. This I say.
No stoplight, no stoplight.
No, we don't see no stoplight the whole time we are traveling. We don't see no stoplight. No stop sign, no stoplight. What is them called? Flamingo. And cute.
Hey.
Watch them foot out there a little bit. Watch there.
Like some mini ostrich.
So them can't fly.
I don't think so. They're like ostrich.
No, they don't go away. But them have to just stay right here, so.
Go right to 6:15. Let's maybe go get an appetizer while we wait for. Yeah, they were thinking about getting the second, third, our last.
Cute. I'm trying to zoom this in a little bit. On them foot. I have
Dance. See now the man get.
them foot or something. That's number
So
10.
what they drift.
Number 10.
So what they drift. Dancing drift.
I do the dance them drift and he have him more down in the water. To watch
Fuck up with it.
a drift you say? Drift. See get rough. He's not a swimmer. I'm afraid of water. No, I don't afraid of water. He's just not a swimmer. I'm not talking about my can't manage, you know what I mean? I'm up in here. This place is just a really nice getaway. I mean, it have everything on the resort. The only thing I wasn't happy with is the food. To be honest, it's just not my style, you know. Kudos to everybody who eat those stuff, but it's just not me. But apart from that, I had so much fun. Everything looks perfect. Everything in the resort looked really, really nice. Well put together. I googled when the resort was built, and I think it said it's open 2017. So it's a new place. It's not like it's an old resort. You know what I mean? So I really had a lot of fun there. Even the club, you know, it was very nice there.
If you stay right there in the water, right where you're there, you're going to lose weight. You can swim? So how you going to swim and lose weight? You think you take this thing for a child's play? I don't know if people, you see people still in the water and him gone.
What? Him gone.
Remember the kids them.
Night beach everybody. Night beach adults. Yeah, exercise. This is only exercise and lift up my butt. Watch it. I'm going to see you back tomorrow.
Yeah, like I hope they say you get it from. That's done. Tomorrow will come and soak me yeah tonight. Huh?
Yeah. Burn out some.
Koro.
Burn out the nuts upon the grass.
Oh, this smell. Come down here early, like in the morning.
So that's it? Just a moment of food? Everybody leave the beach and we just go night beach, you know. We have a night beach. We have to do the doing of the water and everybody gone. Can't be bothered. When you go night beach, that's a big people. Big people. And if we are not tight up when you are going at the water, make sure you say it loose so you can slide it away and do the do. I can't be bothered. Oh, wow. Look at that. I'm boat ride tomorrow for my birthday. Right there, so. I'm going to water. Okay. Go shopping. What time I come up? If you wash off your body, wash off the sun off of your body. Don't go over there. They make it with rock? Oh really? Inside the pool. Don't go in there. Night pool.
Come on, the salt and going up here.
But it looks like I salt water in that pool. Baby life jacket. Beautiful. There's been a village so like, yeah, look a girl.
Look at that.
Yeah. There's been a village so like when you look a girl. So you've been a village when you look a girl, you know?
Let me go with you.
Right, this sir. No sir, watch fire. Man, yeah, what smoke? How come they have this fire here? Smoke up the place up and water top. Man.
When you hear me say, if I real fire, you must know.
I real fire this. Can't feel the heat.
People are paper black though.
Fire pan water. Oh my god. What the hell? What's fire pan water?
A bird. On a bird. Bird up.
Woo!
One up.
Oh my God. It is so hot. What on earth? Damn. Hell no.
Ready?
Awesome. Here, here, here. So do me too. Do me too, do me too, do me too.
Hurry up. Before you go away, hurry up.
I work towards the shop and the other one I got.
Before you go.
I don't know what sexiness. Pretty. Oh, da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da. So there you go. You see the view? Yes, it's really beautiful here. Really, really beautiful. Nice island. I don't regret it at all. I'm enjoying myself even though I come today. I have done so much already because the plan was not to rent a vehicle. The plan was to take the bus and do whatever because I called down here and them say it was safe. You know, no tourists died over here. And, you know, we can just take taxi or the bus and go wherever we want to go. And that's what I did because I really wanted to enjoy myself. When you drive around in a car, you don't get to see the beauty, you're just driving. But when you take the bus, you know, and you're not driving, then you get to have view and see and come off and walk. Even though you can drive, but we don't know where we're going. We can't just drive around. Better to have people. So tomorrow now, we're going downstairs. We'll get a tour guide to kind of drive around in the community or wherever and carry through and through places that we don't know because it's the first we're coming here. And that was the plan that I want. I saw a car where I could rent the car for the couple of days that we're here, and I said to my husband, why get a car when we can actually just get a tour guide for one day and then take the bus and taxi if we go where we want to go. So we jump in a taxi from the airport, and yeah, because I called down here and then tell me that we could take the taxi from the airport, carry it to the hotel. It's like 12 minutes from the hotel from the airport to come to the hotel. So I really did have that, and that was like $27 from the hotel to come here. To go downtown from the hotel is we pay $20 for two of us. So it's like $10 per person, but it's $2 on the bus. That was on the taxi. But we had a really good time. We wanted some Jamaican food, but we didn't get it. But we just tried to eat a fried fish. It tastes nothing like Jamaica. Them say them not have no boiled banana. Nobody no cook banana over here. It's like an America day, you know. But it's an island. You can feel the difference, the breeze and everything. You can feel everything so different over here. But it's like the food is just like fast food. Everywhere you turn, people are eat fries and chicken and, you know, them something there that we don't want that. We left foreign with all of that there and come here now expect to eat some food when we come, some real food, not processed food. None of that not there. So that's why I'm glad me never stay book all inclusive in the hotel because me not gonna enjoy the food. So me I go just pick what me want pick. Go eat fruits, buy my fruits and so stack up with my fruits. and eat. The fridge full now, so I can't buy too much fruits one time. So I'm just buy for today and tomorrow, and then the other day I'm gonna go buy again. So that is really the plan with me want to do. The other thing is that the beach is close by, the pools and all of them. So the club is downstairs. Well, tonight, the big night, you will see the club. You will see when we go party and enjoy ourselves. You know, me and my husband, we don't really go nowhere for it like that. For it not nice. We like island stuff. So any day, anytime we go to Jamaica, I'm do all inclusive because we enjoy the food. But me don't want to go no country go do all inclusive where me so picky when it come on to food, and that is just a waste of money. So why not just rent the place or rent somewhere nice and then go pick with food. If me not enjoy the food, because you pay a lot of money for food when you do all inclusive, the most of the money like is food. So it's best to just like, you know, do it that way. It's best to just do it that way, like book your hotel and then go tour the place, know the country, or you know that where you're at, and pick our own food. Me mostly want fruits before me leave here because me can't eat certain things. Me not eat certain things. I'm very skeptic when it come on to my meals. So for them have all of them different fry place here and no solid ground food provision where me used to, waste some money for me. Me don't want no rice. Me don't want no spaghetti and all them something them full of starch stuff. Even though banana have starch and whatever, but it give you iron, you know. Them grown food they give you stuff. So I can't eat them food there. Food them not taste good. The meat them all them season the fish is just so different from yard. It does not have no taste, brother. I almost dash the whole fish when I buy for $20. I almost throw it away, but I say I have to eat it because when I go to buy more stuff again, so I just force I eat the fish. Coconut water and fruits. And that's how I go do it right now. Bless up on a nice skin, so if I'm open and enjoy the video. Love. Tomorrow my birthday. So let me see. I mean I know no hairstylist to fix my ear, and my ear they have flop out already. I'm never afraid. Boy. Okay guys, welcome to my vlog. So today I am on vacation for my birthday, and I am now here at Bahamas, right? Where that is? In Bahamas. That's right, Bahamas. Okay, so now let me give you a little tour of the bathroom. So right here is the hallway. We have this beautiful mirror here, right? And then we have this here. Let's see. This is the closet. Yes. Where's the light? Let me see, where's the light? I don't even know where the light is. But there it is. Okay, I don't need it. Okay, let's go into the bathroom. That's where I wanted to show you. But this is beautiful. I don't think the camera is doing it any justice. But so I'm gonna go in here and do a bath later. Yes, fill it up with some bubbles and some body wash and cozy down in the jacuzzi. What? You there? What you eat? A coconut water go on, so? No, sir. Alright, so we have two sink here. Yeah. We get soap. Right, so the one on the right is mine, the one on the left is yours because you're a left-hand person. Oh, the camera did want to clean it, not pretty. Okay, so I'm going to show them girls your belly, you know. I'm going to show them you are sitting on the toilet seat. You know, no pride. So glass door, one side with the toilet, and the other with the shower. There it is. Awesome. Yep, there it is. Okay, so we have this little sofa here. So guys, I was showing you the bedroom, right? And I realized that the TV was on in the background, so now I have to do voiceover. I have to silence it because YouTube is striking that I have a copyright. So I have to take out what I was saying in the background and just do the video. But this is the room. Everything is just in one. You can stay from the bedroom and see everything. You have the closet, you have iron, you have everything in here that is comfortable. You have a little fridge with bar full liter liquor. Yeah, a full liter liquor. Something that I don't like with this is when I was when they did when I was checking out, they charged me for the bar and we didn't drink anything out of the bar. And when I asked them why so much money, they said we opened the refrigerator so many times, so they think we drink what was in there. We didn't. I only had a soda from that bar, nothing else. So guys, you have to check your money when you're going to these places because they double charge you for stuff, and that was what frustrating because some things that they charged me for, it was ridiculous. It was crazy. I'm not gonna lie. But this is the room, the king size bed. We have like 3 chairs that this is the stuff that I bought at the market. We buy guinea, mango, banana, what else? I think that was it. And this is the coconut water that we buy. We buy 3 bottles of coconut water. The lady cut them right here. So now we're on our way to the beach to enjoy ourselves. Wanna watch sexiness over yourself? Watch sexiness. When you're going to the hotel, yeah, So this is the first day that I land in Bahamas, and I am driving in the taxi to go to Fish Fry to get some Jamaican food. Wish me luck. I hope I do get some Jamaican food. So I hope you guys enjoy this video while I'm traveling. So after we leave the resort, Fish Fry is about 12 minutes away. And we drive past this beautiful sea. A coaster bus, so we could actually do videos and get a glimpse of the place more better than when we were driving. Guys, I actually was talking in the video, but because of the music that was playing in the bus, I have to mute it and do a voiceover on this video. But we are heading towards Fish Fry to get us some Jamaican food. So yeah, just video in the house through the window. As you can see, you know, the window have the shade over it. Part of it is tinted, so we're not seeing everywhere clearly. So I was doing my best to video because I know a lot of you guys ask me.
We over here flat and the body see it. but I just can't play them because of the music that was playing in the background. But the driver cut out the traffic. You know, when you're in Jamaica and you're driving around Kingston, the driver them know the shortcut where they take different roads, and that's what this driver did. And I was saying to my husband, it just reminded me so much of Jamaica. Yeah, I was saying to him that what the driver is doing and how he's driving just remind me when I used to take bus in Kingston. You know, the little minibus or the coaster bus. The driver cut out the traffic, drive on the little narrow roads just to cut out, like, not even a half a mile. Sometimes they cut out and just bore into, you know, the traffic. It just reminds me so much. I'm like, these island drivers are so bad. They're similar. Just remind me. Everything just remind me like Jamaica right there. But it was enjoyable.
I never like it. So I want to buy 3-piece because I don't want it. Waste my money. Is everything to me no pay attention? Okay, boss.